This brief video is to give you an overview of the 2021 modifications for the Interprofessional assessment. The modifications include a new option for preceptors to email the assessment link directly from Core ELMS to another healthcare professional. Examples to help identify each competency, required comments for each competency with examples of what these comments should be, a revised rating scale, and an additional feedback section. Now I'm in Core ELMS. I first want to make sure I'm under my program access and the fourth year view. Then I click on Evaluations, Evaluation of Student. I can see my student Vivian Chu and the 4 assessments here. Beside Assessment 4, the Interprofessional Evaluator, I can see this little paper airplane. When I click it, I'll be brought to a screen where I can email a copy to another evaluator. So in this gray box here, I want to click the Send Evaluation to External User. And then I want to complete all the fields, so I'm going to send it to Stacy Verhage. I can change the subject line, and I can write a message. When I'm done writing my message, I want to make sure I click the Send Evaluation to New Evaluator. Now I can see that assessment number 4 has disappeared in my list here for me to complete, but I can see who I sent it to with the name here, and it says New Evaluation. Now this is the email that the other healthcare professional has received. You can see my message here and then a link. So they click this link and it brings them into Core ELMS to complete this evaluation, and they do not require a login. Now I will show you some features of the modified evaluation. So there's the general overview of the role of the interprofessional evaluator, and then some instructions for scoring. So there are 6 competencies to assess. There's the rating scale with descriptions for each area of the rating scale, question comments, additional feedback, and a final review. So the first piece is collecting some information about who the interprofessional evaluator is and their interactions with the student. And then the 6 competencies. So you can hover over the competency title, Interprofessional Communication, and some examples pop up. Also, you can hover over question comments and examples of comments pop up. And as you can see on the right side here, the rating scale. Now there is a not applicable option, and only 2 of those can be selected in the assessment, and Core ELMS will prompt if more than 2 are selected to go back and revisit that. Question comments must be answered for each question. So if not applicable is selected, make sure you write not applicable in the comment box as well. There's an additional feedback section, and you can hover over with some examples of constructive feedback that could be provided to the student to help them further develop. And finally, I just want to confirm that this assessment has been reviewed and discussed with the student, and then I submit. Those are the modifications. Thanks for listening.